So dear students, as I promised you in the starting of the lecture that I will give you some words that we always use in our daily life. So let's start with me. Today we shall discuss the difference between voice and sound. Hear and listen. Dear students, you know very well these are the common words, but we don't know, most of the students don't know the difference between them. Dear students, first of all, try to understand the difference between voice and sound. What is the meaning of voice and what is the meaning of sound? Both have the same meaning, but the sense is different. For example, what is voice? Voice always comes from mouth. Understand? But sound always comes from an object. Clear? For example, I am speaking to you. Clear? My voice. Clear? My voice comes to you. That's why you are able to listen to me. Understand? This is my voice that goes to you. Clear? But this is the sound. This is the sound, not the voice. This is the difference. Voice related to living things, sound related to non-living things. Understand? So let's understand with examples. I heard your voice. Clear? I heard your voice. When you take any query, you call me. Clear? I am able to hear your voice. Understand? Sound. The sound of this TV, you can see this is an object, not a living thing. The sound of this object is irritating. Understand? I hope you are able to understand the difference between voice and sound. In the same way, what is the meaning of hear and listen? Both have the same meaning, but sense is also different. Here, when you are you have not any intention to hear someone, but naturally you will hear that. For example, I am making a video, sometimes some sounds involve it and you are able to hear that. Clear? You have no any intention to hear that, but naturally you can hear that. Understand? But listen, when you are intentionally to listen to something. For example, you always like to listen to the music. Clear? For example, I heard the trickling of water from the tap. Understand? I heard the trickling of water from the tap. I heard. You don't want to hear it, but naturally you hear it. Clear? You are listening to me. Now, I am speaking to you. You are watching my video. You are intentionally listening to me because this is related to your syllabus. That's why if you don't listen to me, it means that you will lose your marks. That's why you are listening to my video intentionally. Clear? This is the difference between hear and listen. I hope you all have understood the difference between voice and sound, hear and listen. In the same way, in next video or next day, we shall discuss another words also. Thank you.